In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off portrait mode on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat. Now I'm gonna flip my camera, and here, as you can see, we have on a screen my face, my camera, and softbox. And now we can activate portrait mode to remain my face sharp and to blur the whole other items at the background. To do so, all we have to do is just tap right here at this plus, then scroll down here until you find focus. It says here that it will highlight the subject of your snap. In this case, it is my face. Once we activate it, it will keep the main object sharp. However, you can take a look at my camera and at my softbox, and as you can see, both of them are quite blurred now. To deactivate this mode, we need to tap right here at this highlighted focus mode icon right here at the right side, and that will immediately turn it off. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.